If you're a woman here in the Omaha metro area and you're working through deciding whether to stay in the marital home after divorce, this video will help you think clearly before making decisions that will affect your peace, your finances, and your future. One of the hardest questions women face after divorce is, should I stay in the home or is it time to go? This is not just a financial decision. It's emotional. It's financial. It's layered with security, memory, fear, and hope. If you're wrestling with this decision here in Omaha, this conversation is for you. Why this decision feels heavy. The marital home often represents stability, history, safety, and familiar routines. But it can also hold emotional weight, financial strain, loneliness, and stressful memories. Beautiful blessing, neither staying or leaving is automatically right or wrong. Understanding what will truly support your next season is wisdom. 3 reasons why staying can sometimes be wise. Staying may be the right choice when financial stability is stronger by staying. Looking at mortgage, taxes, upkeep, and manageability is without strain. If you have children, children need short-term consistency. Beautiful blessing, during transition, stability can be highly beneficial. The home feels peaceful versus heavy. The space supports healing rather than reopening wounds. Beautiful blessing, staying is not weakness. Sometimes it's stewardship. This channel exists for women rebuilding life after divorce here in the Omaha metro area. My name is Lynetta Anderson. I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I provide faith-aligned encouragement, informed housing guidance that will encourage you and move you forward with clarity, wisdom, and peace, not pressure. 3 signs it may be healthier to move. There are also times when moving forward physically supports healing emotionally. Moving forward may be wise when the home constantly holds emotional stress. You can't rest, breathe, or feel grounded. Financial burden creates anxiety. Maintenance, payments, cost feel overwhelming. Location isolates you from support. Distance from community, church, friends often matter after divorce. Again, listen. This is not rushing. This is about discernment. This is about wisdom. This is about your future. Let's take Carissa. She stayed in her home because it felt like the safest choice. But over time, every room carried emotional weight. She felt stuck instead of support. Not because she failed, but because her environment no longer supported who she was becoming. Alternatively, imagine a woman who moved forward thoughtfully, not impulsively. Her new space felt lighter, calmer, more supportive of her rhythm of her new life. Yes, both women were seeking stability. The difference was clarity. Wise decisions often feel calm, grounded, and thoughtful. Wise decisions often feel not rushed, not reactive. The right decision after divorce doesn't produce chaos, it produces stability. Beautiful blessing. The stability becomes the soil where healing grows. Yes, indeed it does. If you would like guidance tailored to your situation, you can schedule a discovery call below when you're ready. There is no pressure. This is simply for clarity and support. There is no shame in needing time to decide. There is no failure in seeking wisdom, and there is no weakness in asking for guidance. You are not just choosing a house, you are shaping your future environment. Beautiful blessing, that deserves thoughtfulness. If you're a woman navigating housing decisions here in the Omaha area and you want continued support rooted in wisdom, clarity, and peace, subscribe to continue this series, which was created specifically for women rebuilding with intention. Watch next, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, how to know if you're financially ready. Subscribe for guidance for women rebuilding after divorce.